So my MRT line video was pretty popular, and I decided to take another public transport in Jakarta, this time Transjakarta. So when I went to Monas, I got this prepaid card. I think I can charge some more money on it and use it on the Transjakarta, but other than that I have no idea what I'm doing or where I'm going. So let's see if I can figure it out. How to work it, it can't be that hard. The first try was not a success. I took this card to Alpha Midi and asked if I can use it in Transjakarta. She said no. I said, can I buy a card for Transjakarta? She said no. And apparently I also can't top up the card. I'm pretty sure I can still use this, someone told me. But maybe she just couldn't speak English and my Bahasa is bad as well. So I'm across the road from the bus station and I see a ticket office there. So hopefully I can buy a prepaid card from there and top it up. So seems like it's pretty easy actually. Let's see if that's the reality or not. Jakarta, and I'm in south or central, so it's gonna take a while. Right, just got off at the last station. Took about 1.5 hours altogether to get here. Looking at another bus to get to Taman Mini, where my initial plan was. Yeah, it's a little bit confusing. So I'm supposed to be looking at a bus number 7B, but I can't find it. And the station before I came off was actually called something Taman Mini, so maybe I was supposed to get off there. But I was told when I got onto the bus that this is where I'm supposed to go, so this station here. But first impressions, well, it's pretty good. Once you get past once you figure out how to get to some place or where you want to go, you jump on it and there's so many buses you can probably end up very close to where you want to go. You don't have to switch buses many times. And there's also a women's only section on the bus, so the whole front section is Wanita only and the back section is for everyone. So I'll go ask someone if I can find the 7B. But yeah, I usually prefer to get to where I want to go quicker, because if I spend the whole day on these buses I won't be able to actually see what I want to see, unless I want to see the actual transport system. So let's go find 7B. Long story short, I think I came off at the wrong station, because the only buses that go from this one where I was 9. So I decided to walk. It's about 1.5 kilometers, 1.7 k's to Taman Mini. So I'll just walk there. I could have taken one of these small minivans they use here, but I don't know which number to take. And I also can't trust. I don't want to jump on a random one just to see where it goes. Apparently it was 10,000 for these small red minivans. So I'll just walk. Maybe grab a coffee somewhere. In any other city this would be just an average street, but here I can understand it's a bit of a poorer side neighborhood. But I'm almost there, halfway there. Probably not gonna get a coffee here. There's a football field right next to me. I have arrived. so 20,000 a ticket. There's a bunch of museums, there's the water park, there's a fun park. And here's the ticket office, I think.